Welcome to the Art of Antifoul. My name's Sam, one of the directors here at Chapman, and we're going to take you on a three-part series and delve into the finer details and processes that often get overlooked in the antifoul process. Step one starts with our pre-arrival due diligence, which ties into the old 5 Ps of proper preparation prevents poor performance. A part of our pre-arrival due diligence is we'll connect with captains and try and get an understanding of the systems that they've currently got on board, the speeds they typically cruise at, where they intend to cruise, where they have been cruising in the past, and sort of the effects that are happening below waterline. Do they have excessive shell growth? Is the paint flaking? Is the paint flaking due to poor preparation in the previous jobs? We just want to make sure all the finer details are touched on well before the boat arrives, so we're prepared on our side to be able to give them the best job. So the importance of understanding sort of the hull's profile and the vessel profile in terms of performance. Is it a high-speed cruising vessel? Is it a low-speed cruising vessel? This will also play a part in sort of determining which product we use. So you've got self-polishing and ablative antifouls versus hard antifouls. A high cruising boat's not going to be compatible with a self-ablative antifoul, so we probably need to go and look at the hard antifoul sort of route and go down from there. So checking in with captains and clients well before they arrive is absolutely critical in determining where they've been cruising, vessel profile, what sort of waters they've been in, and temperature-wise. Has there been fresh water around recently and cruising the brackish water? Which is going to bring on more growth and more microbes and things like that, which will play a critical factor in which product we determine to use. With the right product, we can go from doing antifouls annually and extend that to 2-3 year periods, which then gives the owner the comfortability to be able to go up and do longer voyages and cruise in other areas where they're not tied to shipyards. And most importantly, that's going to save on annual reinvestment massively. So stage 2, we're now at haul out and inspection. This is quite comprehensive and involves quite a bit. We want to understand what's going on below water. Is the antifoul delaminating? If it is, try and understand why. Are the coatings being put on too thick in the past? Are we looking to sort of get close to the point of where we're going to need a sandblast? And discussing this with the client. One of the other biggest factors is understanding what's going on bonding-wise with the boat. Is there any other signs of electrolysis happening on the running gear? And looking further beyond that and getting internal on the vessel and seeing the condition of the bonding and the earthing and things like that. Are they connected properly? Have they corroded and snapped away? Do we need to get an external electrolysis guru to come in and try and give us a better understanding of what's happening? One of the most important checks that often gets overlooked on haul out and inspection is the watertight integrity of the vessel. And this goes down to propeller and shaft bearings, the anode bolts. We'll also go through and check the condition of the propeller shaft bearings, check the alignment and the clearances, which is often overlooked and is another critical factor, because if we don't look at this now, the boat goes back to water, we've done a beautiful job on the antifoul, that boat's coming out in 6 months' time because we haven't replaced the bearings. It is really important that this is all inspected on haul out and relayed to the client.